If you've ever had to move a mattress or bulky pillow sets, a guest bed, or you know how quickly it can turn into a clumsy, unwieldy mess. Today we're going to look at this 2-pack adjustable strap moving set mattresses. Now look, I love the fact that I can take these two awkward things and hold it with 1 or 2 fingers because of these big, strong straps. This simple tool makes moving day much easier. It's designed to take closet storage and moving of awkward items to be totally effortless. Now watch how this works. Right out of the box you get 2 heavy-duty straps, each measuring 60 inches long and 2 inches wide. That 2-inch width is crucial. It spreads tension evenly across a mattress or a foam pad or even the odd-shaped pillows like I'm moving here. It's very strong and it will prevent tears and holding everything tight. These straps are specifically sized to handle twin XL, and full mattresses with ease. They are adjustable, and this is how quick and simple it is to use them. First, you roll or fold out your twin or full size mattress compactly as possible, and second, wrap these straps around each end and snap the heavy duty buckle quick. And it releases very easy also. Then you can pull the tail end to cinch it down. In under a minute, you have transformed a floppy mattress into a tight, easy to carry bundle with immediate leverage and zero hassle. Now here's a quick pro tip. Every time you hold it, when you're threading the buckle, you feed through the strap in the inner slot first and then loop it back down through the outer slot. Now that creates a maximum friction and you can lock it together when you pull it tight. Now it's also very good to bundle them together. Now you see you have a very long strap here. Now watch how I can move this big bundle of awkward to carry items together. I have this full size twin sofa fold out bed here that I can put on these 2 straps, and you will save a lot of money using this instead of those disposable plastic wraps and tape, and you'll keep your storage closets completely organized and clutter-free, and you'll turn a frustrating 2-person chore into a fast, simple one with 1 person and 1 task. These are durable, reusable, and wildly convenient for any home item. You want to streamline your next move or tidy up your guest room storage? This 60 by 2-inch strap set is exactly what you need. It's a fantastic addition to your gear. Now, I think that this strap set is so flexible in use, you can turn it into a move for lots of different things. I don't even have to pre-program or think about the awkward shape of these items that I'm trying to move. I simply can buckle up a lot of things. Now you can move a whole set of sofa cushions. Look how I'm moving this twin size sofa, this huge yoga pillow, and these 2 floor cushions all in one. And then, as you'll see, I will still have some room. Now I could adjust these straps and make it even smaller and tighter where it would hold this item and this set of items very easily. But instead, I'm going to choose to keep adding to this pile because I have to move all of these things from this upstairs guest room into a storage facility and take them down a flight of stairs. And this set of straps is going to help me do that. Look how easy this is to move all this bundle of items with 1 hand. Easy, convenient, and awesome. Now this was provided for me from my honest opinion, and I can tell you that it is a great piece of gear to have in any household, and it is excellent on moving day. I highly recommend these straps. Make sure you have these in your closet, your garage, and everywhere you have a project where you need to move items, and they can break down very small and they can hook together and be very large. I highly recommend these 2 set of very usable heavy-duty straps.